Hey there, so this is Hassan, and this video is all about the career, how you can make yourself unforgettable at work, and how you can make your career future proof. So right now the era is all about the AI. So many jobs, many people just lost their job because of the AI. The reason is not that the AI just taken away many of the jobs. The people who are not adopting the AI are losing their jobs. Whatever in whatever sector they are working, is the IT sector or if it's any other sector they are working. So for their easiness and for their easiness, it is necessary that they have know how AI work and how they can automate their work. Because it is the need of the time, and the people which are gets behind in the career is because that they have only a fear that of losing a job, and they work on what they were provided or what they were asked on the job. They just complete those tasks, and they don't learn over the period that what is coming next and what will be what are the updates in their work. If it is the IT sector, what are the updates are coming each and every single day. So we have to update ourselves regarding this, and we shouldn't be just staying behind and do what our KPI on our jobs. We shouldn't be only sticking to the KPI on the jobs. Rather, we should work on ourselves and do our research, and also keep us up to date with the updates. That's how we are gonna be making us ourselves a career future proof. But additionally, I'm adding one point that this is the time we shouldn't be sticking to our career only. We should be working for our business. Even if it is a small business, we have many options available in the market. So everyone have the internet is itself a facility. So you can get access to the internet. Even it's YouTube or any other learning platform, you can hop onto it. You can search what is coming these days, and what you can learn, and what you can do as a business, because business is the future. Jobs are not the business. We should be working in multiple verticals. We should be working on earning multiple side hustles or side streams. So we should be learning each and everything new things daily, and we should also implementing and working on them every single day. Even if it is not related to your own field. For say you are working for digital marketing, so you shouldn't be only focusing on digital marketing. You should be learning or implementing or doing business on others verticals in the IT sector. So that's how you can make yourself future proof, and you should have a strong circle of people that motivates you every single day. And this is it for now, and I'm signing out. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Bye bye.